Hey there folks, welcome to this brand new video, and in this video we're gonna be helping you find the best ways to make some extra cash online. So if you're a teenager looking to fund your gaming addiction, or either you can save up for that free ride, then you're in the right place. It doesn't really matter. However, in this video we're gonna show you 10 ways that you can make money as a teenager. So forget about begging your parents for cash or flipping burgers at the local diner, cause you know, come on, we're classic with this. So you can find tons of online jobs on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can do anything from data entry to customer service to writing and much more, and the best part, you can also work help in your pajamas. Cool, right? Yep. Well, talk about service. If you're lazy like me and don't want to put too much effort, then taking service may be your thing, you know. You can get just paid for just sharing your opinion on various topics. Well, check out Swagbucks, Survey Junker, as well as Vendel Research for some legit survey sites. Well, if you're a smarty pants and love teaching others, then virtual tutoring might be the perfect gig for you. You can offer services on websites like Shug and TutorMe, and who knows, maybe you will even help up a future president with their homework, you know. Affiliate marketing. Now you can make some serious money with affiliate marketing. However, you need people to sign up with your own affiliate programs with companies such as Amazon, for example, and you can promote their products on social medias platforms, and if someone buys your link, you'll earn a sweet commission. Not only that, not only Amazon, you can use other websites, for example affiliate.com. Now if you're addicted to Instagram or Twitter or something like that, then why not make some money off it, or even Discord? You can offer your services as a social media manager on websites like Upwork or Freelancer, or even Fiverr if you want. You'll be in charge of posting the content and engaging with the followers and making some serious bank. Now, are you a great listener or either a fast typer? Then you can make some cash by transcribing audio files for companies or individuals. I'd recommend how to check Rev as well as Transcribe Me. Well, if you're also creative and love making digital content, well then why not sell your online creations? Well, it could be from anything from ebooks to even courses to even printables. You can even sell them on websites like Gumroad or even Shopify. And who knows, maybe you'll even be the next this guy. Do you like testing out websites and providing feedback? Then website testing might be your thing. You can get paid to test websites on user testing and even try my UI. Finally, you can make money online by selling items you no longer need on websites like eBay and Craigslist. And you can even start up your own online store for as little as $1 per month on Shopify and start selling anything from handmade crafts to vintage clothing to whatever you want. So there you have it, folks. I'll be providing every website link down in the description, and have a great one. Goodbye.